All right guys, today we're talking about the Lume Cube 2.0 Portable Lighting Kit Plus. Once you open up the Portable Lighting Kit Plus, you'll see everything has a custom cut home. This makes sure it stays nice and secure and safe when you're on the go. Then we'll get into the contents of the kit. You have your Lume Cube 2.0 and modification frame. You have your DSLR ball head camera mount. And now let's get into the diffusion accessories. First, you have your diffusion bulb, really good for widening and softening the beam angle of your Lume Cube. Then you have your RGBY color gels, red, green, blue, and yellow gels to get creative and throw some cool lighting effects onto your subject. Then we have our CTO warming gels, a warm level 4 and a warm level 1 to adjust the color temperature of your Lume Cube. Then we have two softening diffusers, a diffusion strong and a diffusion light to soften the light that's being emitted by your Lume Cube. And now let's get into the light shaping accessories. First, we have our honeycomb grids, really good for directing the light towards your subject. The snoot, which creates a cylindrical effect on your subject, really good for macro, portraits, or when you need to adjust the beam angle to just be on your subject and nothing else. And then we have the barn doors. Similar effect to the snoot, except you can create boxes and rectangles of light, even lines of light. Really fun for portraiture and directing the light in a creative way onto your subject. In order to mount your diffusion accessories to the Lume Cube 2.0, you will need to use the modification frame, which is included in this kit. So to mount the modification frame to your Lume Cube 2.0, you will simply hold it over the lens of the light and push and it will snap into place. Also, be sure when you're mounting it, there's a curved edge on the modification frame. This goes on the 1/4-20 side of the Lume Cube 2.0. This makes sure that any mounting accessories are free and clear and will not run into your modification frame. All gels and accessories mount via magnets. They're all stackable, which is really fun to create custom lighting effects. If you do want to stack these, make sure that the Lume Cube logo is on top and facing away from the light, and then you can align the next gel like so and just keep it going. Thank you for watching and learning a little bit more about the Portable Lighting Kit Plus. If you have any questions on this kit or anything else we offer, drop them in the comments below or reach out to support@lumecube.com. See you guys next time.